see what my grandmother has given me in my tiffin. Yay! Wow! Sandwiches and strawberries! Hello, Monami. Hello, teacher. So, my grandmother has given me sandwiches and strawberries. Wow! Your grandma has given you sandwiches and strawberries. That means you're all set to learn about letter S. Letter S? Yes. S as in sandwich. S as in strawberry. So let's start. Okay, Miss. Hello, children. Hello, friends. Hello, children. Welcome to our channel. Let's learn with Monami. Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today, we will learn about letter S. So let's start. This is an uppercase S. What is this, Monami? This is an uppercase S. Yes. And this is a lowercase s. What is this, Monami? This is a lowercase s. As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter S is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let us see what Sara did during her summer holidays. Sara's summer vacation has started. Her father, who is a sailor, has decided to take Sara, her sister Stella, and their mother for a voyage. Sara and her sister Stella are very excited about this trip. They help their mother in packing up the suitcases. Next day, they start their journey. They step onto the deck of the spectacular ship and are surprised to see the huge structure of the ship. They are overjoyed as the horn honks and the ship starts its voyage from the dockyard. As it sails through the sea, the girls start singing. Waves going up and down and up and down. We can hear the whistling of the breeze. Sss, sss, sss. And their bodies swayed with the rhythm of the waves. The sky is clear. The sun is bright. The seagulls are also flying with them. On their way, they see many small islands and islets. They are accompanied by many sea creatures who swim alongside the ship, like the colorful fish and the playful dolphins, splashing water and swirling with the waves. They enjoyed their 7-day voyage and shared their experience with their friends when the school reopened. As my grandmother's pressure cooker. Yes, you mean to say the whistle of your grandmother's pressure cooker? Sss. Yes, that is the sound of letter S. Sss. So now let us sing about the sound of letter S. S is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the S sound. Let us say the S sound. as in sandwich, S as in slide, S as in squirrel.
S as in sandwich, S as in slide, S as in squirrel.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
S is a consonant, it has a sound. S is a consonant, it has a sound.
S is a consonant, it has a sound. S is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the S sound.
Let us say the S sound.
S as in seven, S as in snowman, S as in speedboat.
S as in seven, S as in snowman, S as in speedboat.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So now let us revise. So what is the sound of letter S, Monami?
S as in strawberries, S as in squirrel.
Yes. So in our next class, children, we will learn about letter T.
S as in share, S as in subscribe. So please, friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye, friends.
Bye, children.